Okay, well, one of the main benefits of this is the challenge that Malta faces in terms of disposing of its waste. At the moment, there's a big effort and a big drive which is taking place, and we've heard a little bit about that today, to try and increase recycling and to try and get to very high levels of recycling. But even when we do that, there's still going to be this gap that's left over. And so the benefit here is to try and release some of that capacity which is being built up at Martab and the landfill site, and to utilise that waste for energy generation so that that can provide electricity back to the residents of Malta. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, there's a lot of examples across the world where we've got relatively small sort of island areas which have got their own facilities, so that they're self-sufficient really in that way. They can manage their own waste rather than export it, which is the other option, of course. And so we've got a lot of examples around the UK where I'm from, around the Isle of Man, around Jersey, around Isle of Wight. In fact, most of the sort of major islands do have their own energy from waste plant in order to deal with that issue. The technology has been around for over 100 years, so I suppose it's proven in that respect, and that it has that longevity around it. I think the key thing is around sizing the plant at the right scale, and that's one of the things we've tried to do through this report, is to look actually at when we can achieve high recycling rates, to size it for that size rather than trying to size it now when it might eat into recycling capacity, because that's really not what we want.
Għalija dan il-proġett huwa wieħed mill-iktar proġetti importanti li ħajkun sar f'Malta f'dan l-aħħar 10 snin. Il-kwistjoni tal-waste hija waħda mill-akbar sfidi li qed jiffaċċja l-pajjiż, dan ngħidu mhux jien ma jgħidu kulħadd, u allura kien wasal iż-żmien li jittieħdu deċiżjonijiet irreversibbli u radikali. U d-deċiżjoni li ħadna hija waħda radikali, hija waħda irreversibbli, però hija waħda kawta għaliex ittieħdet wara li ħadna il-parir ta' min kellna nieħdu l-parir. Mingħajr ma nagħmlu dan l-impjant, żgur, mhux forsi, ma kellna l-ebda ċans li nilħu il-miri imposti fuqna mill-Unjoni Ewropea. L-għal dak li għandu x'jaqsam emissjonijiet serra u l-għal dak li għandu x'jaqsam l-ekonomija ċirkolari. B'din is-sistema se nkunu nistgħu bil-mod naslu għal dawk il-miri. Għandna din, u mbagħad trid naturalment tikkrea waste streams differenti, però importanti daqstant li kollok liġi u liġijiet jew qafas legali b'saħħtu li jimponi dawn id-deċiżjonijiet fuq il-poplu Malti. Għax inkella ma naslux. Malta hija waħda mill-ftit pajjiżi, jekk mhux l-unika pajjiż fl-Unjoni Ewropea li m'għandniex liġi li tirregola l-ekonomija ċirkolari. Għandna liġijiet ambjentali, però liġi per se m'għandniex. U l-għarti kollok liġi. Wan li tikkrea dawk ir-reati in konnessjoni ta' min ma jxi koopera għall-għanijiet tal-att. Allura, kulħadd jagħmel li jrid. Dik hija ħaġa. Il-Ministru jrid jingħata wkoll l-opportunità taħt ċertu linja gwida u jrid ikollok ukoll mekkaniżmu biex jiena nkun nibda nista' nipproponi from time to time waste streams differenti. Pereżempju, il-Bottle Refund Scheme li ħanamlu se tkun taħt u regolata mill-Circular Economy Act. Għal inti kollok liġi mamma li tatini l-istruttura li biex jiena nkun nista' noħloq dan il-waste streams differenti.
Grazie ħafna.